Hello everybody! In this video, I will briefly explain the opportunities you achieve by using async await pattern. There are two main attitudes in doing a task by a method. It can do its own job asynchronously or synchronously. In asynchronous methods, you face two main keywords, await and async. Await helps you develop your asynchronous codes just like synchronous ones, and it also helps you pause the execution of an awaited task until it's completed. An asynchronous method returns its own result as a task type. Asynchronous pattern in C# simplifies asynchronous programming. It also makes code easier to read and maintain. However, improper use can lead bugs and also deadlocks. At the end of this video, I will develop a sample code with you to have a simple experience. Stay with me. Well, I simply created a console application project and then I create a class which name is Learn Asynchronous to develop our sample code. Now I want to just create a simple synchronous method which name will be main method, for example. And I want this method just write, just print a number 2. And then I will have a asynchronous, method, which name will be delayed method. I just simply create a fake delay here, task for 5 seconds, and then I want this method to write another number 1. For example, and then I will call our delayed method just here. Delay method. And simply I call this class here. For example, let me just copy this with a lowercase. Well, and I will call our main method here. Well, let me see the result. We want to call this method and explain the result. Well, let me do it again. Well, we can see the compiler write number 2, and then after 5 seconds it's write number 1. It looks like that compiler don't see this line, and we want this to read this method, call this delayed method. We think that it would be write number 1 and then number 2, but it looks like that the compiler do another thing. Why the compiler don't write number one? Because of this fake delay, and because we don't have any await keyword here, the compiler don't wait for the result of this method. But we can solve this problem, just use the await keyword. But we got an error. Let me see. Well, we can't return void. We can't use the void keyword here. As I say earlier in this video, the async methods return task. So we want to use this. Let me see the result. Well, simply we can see the compiler wait for 5 seconds and then write number one, and after that, after the result of this delayed method, it goes to this line and write number two. Well, I want to explain you the situations where you need this async and await method. Just imagine the situation that you want to call a service from a server that returns a huge data for you. Definitely it takes a lot of time, so you not in fake mood but in real mood you have this delay at that time, so definitely you need this await for the result of your data, and definitely you want to do some calculate for that data and use that result. For see the source code of this sample, you can see just my GitHub page in the async and await repository, and please follow my LinkedIn page also for my next tips. Hope it would be useful for you. Bye.